My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi guys, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. Today I am just going to make this hopefully a short video just to show you how I got this dramatic eyeshadow look that I'm wearing today. I love it. I wasn't going to do such a dramatic eye look today, but once I started playing with makeup, I had to have fun. Alright, so if you're interested in how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. For today's look, I'm primarily using my 88 BH Cosmetics Cool Matte Palette, and I'm using that lightest color up at the top, and I'm putting that all over my lid and up to my brow bone. And now I'm using this darker color on my lid all the way up to my crease line and a little bit above the crease line, because later I'm going to be putting on that darker color, but I want a little bit of this blue to show underneath it. I'm just continuing to pack on that color just to get it a little bit more vibrant, and now I'm dragging it up a bit above the crease line. Now on to the black color, and I'm concentrating mainly on the outer V of my eye, but I am putting it all over the lid. But I mainly want it darkest in the outer V corner of my eye. And here I wet my brush a tiny bit so that it would get even darker, more pigmented. Yeah, just like that. I like it dark on the outer corner. And now I'm just blending it in so there's not a harsh line. And now we're going to go in with that light blue color on the center of my eyelid and into the inner corner. Kind of an ombre look. And I'm also bringing it a little over to the outer V above the black. And now I get to use my shimmer palette, that blue, and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to just pat it on gently. I just love this color. I think it just makes the eye pop. Now I'm just blending that in a bit. The key to a good eyeshadow look is just blending, blending, blending so that it looks seamless. And now I'm just making that shimmer color a little bit more vibrant. And now with the pencil brush, I'm using that dark blue BH palette eyeshadow color, and I'm lining the bottom of my eyelashes with it. Kind of give it a smoky eye look. And now with the smaller brush, I'm going in with that lighter blue BH color that I used earlier, and I'm going over that on the bottom eyelash line. And now with my Carly Bible palette, I'm using that light color right there on the inner corner of my eye, the tear duct area, just to open up the eye a bit and just give it some luminance there. And now with this big jumbo eyeliner, I'm lining the tight line of my eye. I really do love this big, bold eyeliner pencil. And I'm also going to use this eyeliner pencil for the waterline of my eye. I use this on a daily basis. I love it. Now we're going to use my hard candy eyeliner that my daughter gave me. It's awesome. I like it. Have a little wing, and I'm going to try to stay really close to the eyelash line right here. Because I'm using such bold, dark eyeshadow colors, I thought I would try to go a little lighter on the eyeliner, especially since I'm using false eyelashes later anyway. I'm also putting a little on the lower lash line to kind of connect that wing with the lower lash line there, and I'm dragging it a little bit to the center of my eye. And now I'm going to try to make a little inner corner cat eye look. I love it. I love people who have that naturally, are so lucky. Now I'm just dragging a little over throughout the whole bottom eyelash line just to make it look more uniform. Now on to mascara. Now I picked up some of that light pink color that we used from our Carly Bible palette, and I'm just highlighting underneath my eyebrows on the brow bone just to give it a little shimmer and luminescence. And now with the flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to blend that in a bit. And also with that flat eyeshadow brush, I picked up some more of that light blue BH Cosmetic color and putting that above the black eyeshadow, just for a little bit more dramatic look. And now with my big fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend all that in, make it a bit seamless. And that's it, guys. That's the finished look. Now on to false eyelashes. I know that the eyeshadow look was a lot of colors, a lot of packing on and repacking on, but I love the end result. The bold, smoky, black and blue eye look that I got. Okay, let's just get those falsies on now. And here I'm just adding a little bit more black on the outer corner just because I blended it in a little bit too much. And I added eyeliner afterwards, and as you'll see in a second, I got it on my eye. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had a blast recreating this look. I tried it out this morning, and I thought, ooh, I am going to try to recreate it on the other eye so I can record it and let all my glam fam see how I got this very dramatic black and blue eyeshadow look. So I'm just gonna get dressed, and today is exactly 1 week from when I started my 250K challenge. I took a before picture last Friday. So I just want to take a 1 week picture just to see if there's any kind of improvement on my body transformation. I've lost a couple pounds, so I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but I'm going to go try it. So that's why I put makeup on. I wasn't going to do this dramatic of an eye, but then when I looked at my Profusion 5 Below palette and my BH Cosmetic palette, I thought, ooh, I'm going to have some fun. If I'm going to put makeup on, I'm going to have fun with it. So yeah, I just love my new palette from 5 Below. It was only $5, and I love the shimmer, and yeah, and I've always loved my BH Cosmetic palettes. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me comments down below if there's any kind of look that you want to see. So alright guys, I love you. Don't forget how much I love you, and don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.